Hi my country people, how una dey? Today I bring una the award winner of the Face of Nollywood for year 2023. MIDE Martins no fit keep quiet at all after im batch this special outstanding award from Golden Stars Award wey dem do recently for June 18th.
Hello, my name is Hafiz Oyetoro, aka Saka. Yeah, this is another edition of Golden Star Award. It's going to take place June 18, 2023 at Whitewater Event Center, Lekki. A lot of people are coming. This year old is going to be fantastic, fantastic. In fact, come and enjoy yourself.
Na the wife of Hafiz Abiodun win the award for Face of Nollywood year 2023. Mide thank all her fans and supporters and talk say im dedicate the award to all the people wey believe in am. Make I quote wetin Mide talk. "Congratulations to me, Face of Nollywood 2023. I dedicate this award to everyone who believes in me. Thank you my family home and abroad." With this, na so some of her colleagues, including her husband, sharply begin dey jubilate with am.
Ladies and gentlemen, this award is the award for the Golden Man of the Year. This award is a honorary award, and the award goes to
Barrister Aziz Oladapo.
Barrister Aziz Oladapo Yusuf Nino Ade.
Make I read some of the message wey dem drop for am. Her husband Hafiz write say, "Congratulations to you honey." Fausat Balogun, wey all of una sabi as Madam Shaje, write, "Congratulations." Alhaji wife Mercy Aigbe too follow write congratulations. Biola Adebayo mama pikin no carry last, she too write congratulations my dear. Fathia Williams write say, "Congratulations my love." Seyi Edun too follow join body write congratulations momsi. Among other people wey throway greetings for am na Kehinde Bankole, Lizzy Anjorin, Funke Eti and Doris Simeon. We at Gbemi Naija Gist too follow say congratulations to the new Face of Nollywood 2023.
Congratulations, sir. The Grassroots Politician of the Year 2023. Congratulations, sir. 3 awards. Philanthropist Man of the Year also goes to you, sir. Congratulations once again.
Wow, I don't see this.